Hi everyone! Wow, part 6. You are almost done with the February online module. Part 6 is all about leading effective professional development. This one is also a precursor to what's going to be happening during our next training on March 13th. I really want you to focus in on the possibilities of having a flipped faculty meeting. Some of you may have already been thinking about doing this, but this part 6 is going to actually help you prepare for that. So we're going to learn about Screencast-O-Matic. So some of you might have already known about this tool, may have already used this tool before, but it's a free online video maker. In fact, this is what I've been using to videotape all of these little short tidbits of information for you for each of these parts. So it's very, very easy to use. So you're going to learn about the tool, you're going to use Screencast-O-Matic to record a short video that will help you prepare for a flipped faculty meeting. So it's just going to be a practice video though. You don't have to worry about doing your real video for your flipped faculty meeting. So some ideas that you can do, the content for your video could be just simply telling a story or teacher spotlights or a weather report or testing tips or maybe a favorite site or app that you want to highlight, because with Screencast-O-Matic you can show your computer screen like I've been doing all through this February online module with you. Even some jokes or riddles, or maybe you have some like secret information about your principal cohorts that maybe you want to share with us so that we can all be entertained by it when we come back in March. So just some ideas. All right, so and for those of you who are really on the top of your game and have already thought about doing a flipped faculty meeting and already know what kind of a video you want to make, then go ahead and go for it. You don't have to wait until March 13th to actually start prepping for your flipped faculty meeting, okay? All right, so if you would like some more examples, I have a couple that were made by principals. This one is a TouchCast video, and so you just have to click on there, and that principal did a really great job about starting the new school year. And then, of course, Jerry Brooks, who is a principal from down south, I love his storytelling skills, and he just makes me giggle. So I included him as well. Okay, so here's your activity. You're going to use Screencast-O-Matic to create a video, and it can be a practice video or a real video. It's totally up to you how far along you are in your progression of using the tool. All right, so this is a tutorial. You're going to click on it and then click on it again, because this is just simply a screenshot of the tutorial found on Screencast-O-Matic. All right, that'll tell you a really quick introduction, and then here is a quick link to actually access the Screencast-O-Matic website. And then here are your directions. So you're going to create an account, use the Google sign-in option. It's always the easiest. You have two choices. You can either download the Screen Recorder Launcher or find the app for the Chromebooks. And if you're on a different laptop, a different PC, a Mac, whatever, then you can actually download and install the software. So then you don't have to use it with a browser. All right, there are lots of tutorials that you can visit once you're on Screencast-O-Matic, the website. It's just at the top of the page, so you can click on those tutorials to help you through. Choose your content, record your video, and then you're going to save your video to your computer or to your Google Drive, okay? There is a link right here. Once you save it, you can click and find your slide. So here's Brett's video slide, and over here the rest of you are all falling into place, so you can find your slide. Let's say I am Christy, so I'm going to go find my slide here. Follow these instructions, so just click on Insert right there, and you would choose Video, and then you could click on your Google Drive right there, and then you just go and find it. Okay, and then you double click and you select it in. So I'll just grab one, I'll just do that one. And you can see how easy, I just double clicked on it. I can resize it, all right, make it look good. And then you can get rid of what's behind here, just delete it. I'm not gonna delete it though, because then Christy won't know what she's doing. All right, and that's it. So I'm gonna get rid of that video so Christy has a clean slate. Come back here to part 6 when you're all done, with that, then you'll just click next or go back to the main site for our February online. And the next place you're going to is the Flash to the Past. All right, thanks guys. Can't wait to see your videos. Woohoo!